Hey everyone, this is Stephanie from the Blend team. Today I'm going to show you how to do a visual drill using Blend. Many phonics lessons begin with a visual drill, in which a teacher shows cards with the individual sounds on them to review the sounds that the students have learned. We go through the cards together one at a time and say the sound they see. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways of doing a visual drill using Blend. Let's get started. We want Blend to be accessible for all teachers. That's why everyone has access to 2 decks you can use right out of the box, even if you don't have an account. Let's see how to do a visual drill using one of these. So let's open up the CVC and Magic E deck, and once we have our deck open, we can actually hide some of the cards by clicking on the X icon at the top right-hand corner of each column of graphemes. Now that we have the one card, we can populate it as we normally would by clicking on one of the graphemes in the tray. Then what I'd recommend is you can actually minimize the card tray by clicking on the arrow at the top right-hand corner of the tray. Now we have a more focused view, and all you have to do is click on the card to change the grapheme. This will cycle through the graphemes in the order that they're in the column. If you'd like to cycle through them in a random order, you can turn on shuffle mode by clicking on the icon in the top left. You can always reopen the card tray by clicking on the same arrow as before, and then you can repopulate the cards by clicking on any grapheme in the corresponding column. You may want to customize your grapheme set and only have the sounds your students are working on. To make your drills easier, you can create a custom deck. Let's see how to make a custom deck for our visual drill. So I'm going to create a new custom deck, and we'll call it Visual Drill. In this deck, I'm only going to add one column, and I'm going to populate it with the graphemes that we've been working on in class. I'm going to save this deck, and now we can open it and proceed with our visual drill just as we did before. I'm going to click on one of the graphemes, minimize the card tray, and then I'll click on the cards to cycle through them. Lastly, I'll show you our favorite way to do a visual drill using playlists. Playlists are a pro feature that allow you to create word lists ahead of time so they're ready to go at the start of your lesson. We've created a custom playlist for our visual drill. Let's see how easy it is to use. This is how you could do a visual drill using a playlist. So we'll go to the playlists view, and I'll find the visual drill playlist that I have. With a playlist, you can create your lessons ahead of time, and all you have to do when doing your drill is click on the right side of the screen to go through those graphemes in order. Doing your visual drill in Blend is great for classrooms. You can use Blend on a smartboard or with a projector, whereas a physical card might be too small for students to see. And it's also great for online tutoring or in one-on-one sessions with Blend on an iPad. And the best part is that you can move on to your blending drill right away without having to switch tools. That's going to be it for this video. We hope it was helpful. Please let us know down below what other Blend tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching!